Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we'll be talking about this project once more. So I've actually made a video on how to register and start mining Avive token. So Avive token is a new project that was recently launched. This project is actually similar to Core, and so you can see that we mine the tokens and also mine popular cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. So you can see it right here on my screen that as I'm mining this coin, I am mining BTC at the same time. So what do you expect to get from this project? You are going to be getting this token for free, and as well you'll be mining popular cryptocurrency every single day. So I'll be showing you how everything works here. So we be expecting this project to be coming up with a whole lot of amazing offers for the community people. So as we are interacting with these tokens every single day, I claim these tokens every single day, guys. So if you have not known about this project, kindly use the link in the description of this video. Get registered first. So once you've registered, you will tap on get airdrop. So you will start claiming every single day. So it actually has free rounds, and each round is over 25 um, rounds. So you'll be rewarded and you'll be claiming every single day. So you can see it that I have my soul power here that gives me ability to mine and claim a lot of this token every single day. So you can see now, once I claim this, as of the time I'm making this video, every single day I claim BTC daily. So you are going to be earning free BTC right in this video, and I believe that a lot of more offers will be added on this project very soon. So if you have been mining this token and your app is not yet updated, so they have a Play Store version of this, and they also have a iOS version of this app called Avive network. So you can actually use the link for new users and register and start claiming every single day. So each day that you did not claim, you are going to be suspended. So the mining will stop. So, and also what happens after the mining stops, you will not be able to claim until you log in and receive this airdrop, as you can see it on my screen, just like the way core mining was actually happening. In that same vein, this project is going following the same pattern. So we are expected to be claiming this every 25 rounds. So I'll be claiming this, and I'll also be claiming this free BTC. So once I claim, it will actually add up to my balance. So you can see I'll tap on this. So if you have been using this app and the version you are using is not yet updated, go to App Store, search for Avive. So Avive network. So you are going to be also you can see update here, and once you tap on it, to take you to Play Store to update your app. So once you've updated your app, what will happen is that will be added 5,000 so power. So it will help you to mine faster and achieve optimum opportunity with this app. So I'll be claiming BTC as well, which I normally do every single day I log into this app. So you can see I'm accumulating a lot of BTC, and this can be withdrawn anytime once the withdrawal button is modified. So you can go to the profile section and you see that the balance is right there, and a lot of offers are being added on this project. So you have to jump in, and this is not ordinary project, guys. So you can join their community. You can actually join their community here by clicking on these particular options added here. So once you've joined, you can be able to exchange your soul power. So you come to this place, you see that we have magic power. So once you are in the group, or you can come to me, let me send you for exchange. So we have magic stone and gift box, so you can either join or initiate. So if you want to join, you are going to click here and add someone's code. So I can give you my code, you add and confirm to increase your hash power. Now if you want to initiate to start up the exchange, so you can come here and select the number of people you want them to join with uh, with your code. So what you need to do is to click any of these. So if you want 5 people, you click maximum and initiate. So once you've initiated, a new code will be given to you so that people that are interested. So we actually need to have a small group for this project to be able to achieve the optimum result. So it's very important, guys, that we accumulate a lot of these tokens for free now that it is easy to be mined. So if you come to team, you can see that a whole lot of people have been suspended under my team. So you can see that we have a lot of suspended people here who are not actually mining this token. So if you stop mining, your your mining app will be suspended, so the airdrop will not be added to your balance. So that is basically how it works. And guys, I will drop the link in the description of this video to help you get registered. So in the next video, so the airdrop value will be added, so after 5 minutes. So you can actually be adding, or you shall actually be logging in, so to claim this. So by the time I'm making this video, I have I'm making this video about 4 something minutes. So I'm going to be receiving this once it is 5 a.m. So guys, make here wide assumption. This project is going to be a mind-blowing one in 2023 or in 2024, depending on the launching out period of this project. But it's better you actually start mining to earn a lot of this token for free. And also, as you mine, you are earning free BTC that can be withdrawn at any time, just like when we are mining core. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.